Hi guys. Okay, we're getting some issues with some campaigns just stopping in the middle of nowhere, and if that is happening to you, then let me tell you what the problem is. So basically, what the problem is that you will have. Let's nip back to the setup tab a minute. You will have, for example, one or more of these active, but there will be text missing in the corresponding text box for a one of the posts, and the post will be active. So if you have, for example, all Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram selected, and you have the active tick box on there, and there is no text in those boxes for that active post, then that will stop your campaign from running. We will try and put in a fix for this so that it just skips over that post and doesn't post it, but just to be aware that if that is the case and you have an active tick box there must be text in the fields that you're posting for whichever social networks you're posting to. Now, if that's the case and that has happened to you and your campaign has stopped, then what I would suggest that you do is that you go back and you untick all the posts that have posted. You may get one which says can't deactivate because this is the next post in the queue or something. If that is the case, just make sure that there is text in the fields for the social networks that you're posting to, and leave that active, and then go back to the setup tab and then restart it, and I would suggest you restart it for tomorrow. So just make sure that if you've got, for example, Facebook and Instagram active, then you go and check that all of the active posts have got text in those boxes. And if you don't want the posts that have already posted to post again, then just deactivate those tick boxes so that those posts stop, and then pick it up from the post where it stopped last time or the next post onwards. So hopefully that makes sense. And as I say, we will try and find a fix for this, but it's actually a little bit more complicated than it sounds. So bear with me. Okay, thanks guys. Hope that helps.